Good day, class. Our lesson for today is all about social media ethics, fake news. At the end of this module, you will be able to distinguish and explain the difference between news from traditional social media, recognize types of misleading news, recognize, classify, and analyze fake news. So let us define what is social media. Social media is the form of electronic communication, such as websites for social networking and microblogging, through which users create online communities to share information, ideas, personal messages, and other content, such as videos, according to Merriam-Webster 2018. And according to Melvin Mencher 2008, he defined news as a break from a normal flow of events, an interruption of the expected. As individuals, naging nature na natin to be in the know or lagi tayong updated, lalong-lalo na sa ating social media. That is one of the reasons why we watch television, newspapers, nagbabasa tayo. And of course, pinakamadaling gawain natin, we check on our Twitter, Facebook account, sa IG natin, and other social media feeds. So in a study by Lee, C.S. and Ma L. 2013, they asserted that like traditional media, social media has functions of providing news stories to user. The difference lies on the relationship between the users and the news, and these differences are: number one, social media users have an active participation in producing news content by posting and sharing links or news stories from various sources, according to Sabu and Haberman 2010. Lalo na ngayon, halalan 22 is approaching. Ang daming websites, ang daming link na nakikita natin, nababasa sa ating mga news feed, sa ating mga social media accounts. Next, number two, even if we are separated by physical distance, social media users are connected. Unlike before, pinaka media lang natin is yung TV, wala pang cellphone, wala pang gadgets. And ngayon, ibang-iba na. So, napakadali na lang napakadali na lang hanapin yung mga information na kailangan natin sa internet, hindi na lang sa television kagaya noon. Ngayon, sa social media, may Facebook, may YouTube. So lahat ng information, lahat ng mga pwede nating i-access, ma-access na natin kung kailangan natin ng mga information. So ngayon, pwede ka nang mag-vlog, pwede ka nang gumawa ng iyong in your own show online, So wala nang technical limitations, hindi kagaya noon. Then the third one is social media is different from traditional media because we can customize our new choices and interact with others. So the best example of this is yung interview ni Tony Gonzaga with Bongbong Marcos. So choice niya yan. That is her own choice na kausapin yung gusto niya. So yan yung social media ngayon compared to traditional media before. So in our generation today, dahil wala nang technical limitations, so dyan na yung mga fake news. So dami niyan sa social media natin, daming fake news. So importanteng malaman natin kung how to spot fake news sa mundong ginagalawan natin ngayon. Next, social media has been weaponized to become tool to upang ipakalat yung mga fake news, mga walang katotohanan, mga walang basihan na information. Yan yung disadvantage ng social media ngayon. So dahil napaka-high-tech ng technology na ngayon. So easy access. So this is the disadvantage. We have here the 10 types of misleading use. So, una, we have propaganda. Lalo na ngayon, halalan 2022 is approaching. Ang daming propaganda. Then we have clickbait, sponsored content. We have satire and hoax. Next, we have uh, the so-called partisan. We have the conspiracy. We have pseudoscience. We have misinformation and bogus. So now, dahil nagkalat nga ang fake news, ay paano natin ma-identify kung ito nga ba ay totoong news or fake news? So how to spot fake news? So how to spot fake news? Number one, you have to check the website. Legit ba yung website? Number two, you have to analyze the writing style. Then, third one, basahin yung buong article. Next, you should look for supporting sources kung totoo nga ba yan or fake news lang. Number 5, you have to check the date. Yan. Number 6, consult an expert. Number 7, it might be satirical or exaggerated. Number 8, do a reverse image research. So class, that ends our discussion on the social media ethics. Thank you and God bless.